On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob will show us how to make squash pasta with a vegetable sauce. That's right, we're going to use squash as a base for this delicious entree. It's a lot easier to make than it sounds. First things first, we chop. To make these squash noodles, we're going to use what's called a vegetable spiralizer. These come in all different shapes and sizes and are a good investment if recipes like this are your thing. Slice the yellow squash and run it through the spiralizer. And just like that, we have this visually appealing and tasty squash pasta. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add in the onion, carrots, and garlic. These are our firmer vegetables, that's why they're going in first. Season these with a half teaspoon of black pepper. Next, add in the radishes, tomatoes, and green beans. Give it a nice toss or stir. Take a splash of water and use it to deglaze the pan. This is especially important for this dish because it helps to steam the vegetables. In a new pan, heat up a half teaspoon of oil. Remember, we don't need a whole lot. Sprinkle a pinch of pepper on the pan, followed by our beautiful summer squash spirals. Keep moving the squash with tongs so it's evenly cooked. Deglaze the squash and the vegetable mixture with some water and keep stirring them both. When the green beans start to get limp, the carrots become softer and easier to chew, and the squash spirals start to look more like pasta, it's time to combine. Transfer the squash to a plate and top with the vegetables. And just like that, we have this vegetarian squash pasta that's fit to eat. This recipe pairs well with Chef Rob's stuffed tomato recipe. The link to that video is in the description below. If you'd like to see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat. Chef Rob and registered dietitian Rebecca Turner create a stunning full meal from vegetables and vegetables alone. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.